Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 21 from Madani Qaida. Today we will learn waqf or pause. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what is waqf or pause, what is waqf tam, how do we pronounce waqf in an Arabic accent. We will learn all these things in this video. We will find the answers of all these questions in this lesson. Let's start. What is waqf or pause? The meaning of waqf is to pause or stop, that is, at whichever word work is to be done, and the voice as well as the breath on the last letter of that particular word. I repeat, what is waqf or pause? The meaning of waqf is to pause or stop, that is, at whichever word waqf is to be done, and the voice as well as the breath on the last letter of that particular word. What is waqf tam? This circle sign is called waqf tam. This sign indicates the completion of a Quranic ayah. One should stop here or one should pause here. If two pesh comes on the last letter of the word, then make that last letter sakin when doing waqf. In an Arabic accent, if two pesh comes on the last letter of the word, then make that last letter sakin when doing waqf. We will learn this with example. Let's see the example of waqf. There is a word qadirun. That last letter has two pesh, and in the case of waqf, this is the sign of waqf tam. That sign indicates the completion of Quranic ayah. In case of waqf, the last letter change into sakin. Here ra has two pesh, and in case of waqf, in the condition of waqf, ra will be changed into sakin. Ra has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. Any letter which has this jazm sign or sakin sign, that letter is called sakin letter. How we pronounce the waqf or pause in an Arabic accent? Let's learn with spelling. Qaf zabar qa, dal ya zir di, qadi, ra tu peshrun, qadirun. There is no waqf, but in case of waqf, how do we pronounce qadir, qadir, qadi. The last letter will be changed into sakin. This is the example of waqf. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn more example of waqf. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.